nature is so important to us because if we don't protect these places, if we don't respect these places enough to protect them, then we're going to lose them. And what does that do? In addition to just being a fun place to come and get away from the city, this is our oxygen source, and these places act like a giant sponge for all the polluting that we do when we're driving around Bangalore, when we're powering up our air conditioners during the summer, when we're charging our phones for that matter. So all that contributes to pollution, and we need places like this to kind of counteract that, and these places are disappearing, and that is disrespect, a big part from the human race, so we need to change that. So here we are in the Eastern Ghats in Tamil Nadu, and I think one thing that's really important about grade 5 making the trip out here is that they're really getting to experience the forest and getting to learn more about it, because to be able to truly respect something, you've got to know it. And so they're here hiking around, trekking around, climbing, learning about plants, learning about composting, and that's going to really help them understand how they can better take care of the earth in the future.
For students, actually this is the first time that they have been learning out of the textbook. Plants was our very first unit in science, and we have completed it in term 1, and this experience has been a very valuable one for them, because right now they are actually learning about vermiculture.
Yeah. So the children are learning to make vermicompost, and they have to deal with cow dung and earthworms and vegetable peels.
Cow dung is my worm.
Yeah.
Making a worm factory. Worm factory.
So that they can bring it back to school, they learn this and maybe use it to give fertilizer to the plants at home as well as at school. They're all into it, they're willing to do it with bare hands and not use gloves. Initial hesitation towards using cow dung was there, but I think now everybody is just comfortable even after giving the gloves to them.
CIS students, this is the challenge for you moving forward, is that we have to respect nature, and the choices that you make today and the choices that you make tomorrow and the choices you make 10 years from now make a big impact whether you realize it or not. So be on the side of nature, respect nature, and make choices that are going to improve upon nature and not harm it.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step I take, feel talks through the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart you can.
Yo!
Yo, what's up?
Yo, yo, yo!
Yo, what's up?
Yo!